Hi, so today I am spraying this field of oats with a fungicide and a herbicide. So we don't put sprays on lightly, they're expensive, but also we value the variety of species within our fields, and we wouldn't be putting this on unless it's necessary. So before we decided to apply the spray, we had a chat with our agronomist. So agronomist is basically a qualified crop doctor who knows, basically his job to go around and inspect the crops and work out the best ways to treat them. And basically we decided that the risk for fungal disease and the risk of weed competition was enough to decrease yield and make it worth putting this spray on. As I said before, we don't spray lightly. We really thought about this, and we do try and minimise the amount of chemicals we use on our fields. So to do this job, I've had to pass two separate exams. One of them about the storage and safe use of pesticides, and one of them about using this applicator. And I've actually been tested on this applicator. Someone came to the farm and I did the exam on it there. I'm also a member of NAROSO, which is the National Register of Sprayer Operators. So every year I have to collect CPD points, which is Continued Professional Development, to keep up my points, to keep being a member, and that also keeps my knowledge up to date and just keeps me on top of all the new changes and developments in the industry. Also, the sprayer is independently tested every year, so someone comes out and checks it, makes sure it is fit for use and it's going to put the chemical on at the right rate. And then, as I said before, all our chemicals are recommended by our crop doctor who is qualified to do that. Then also, each of the chemicals had to go through vigorous testing and get approval for use in this country. So a lot of other countries that we buy in food from are still using pesticides that have long been banned in this country. So the stuff that we tend to use has been ultra tested and is pretty safe, as long as we use it sensibly. Right, I better get on. It's very critical I get the height of these booms right. They don't touch the crop and too low, they don't go too high. I've got to make sure the wind speed doesn't get up or any rain is coming. Just all these factors to consider when putting it on, because I want every single drop of this spray to end up in the right place at the right rate. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers.